In today's exercise, I want to demonstrate how to do an athletic plank with a stability ball. This is a great exercise that activates the core, okay? Now, when doing this exercise, the first thing you need is a stability ball. Now, this exercise is really challenging, okay? So be very careful when performing this exercise, all right? Now, when performing it, first thing you want to do is go ahead and place your hands onto the ball, just like this, and fully extend your legs, just like that. And then you want to keep the chest up and keep the hips lifted, okay? You don't want the hips drop like that or the chest drop like this, okay? What you want is exactly how I'm showing you. Hips up, chest up, and then hold. As long as the program is designed, okay? And you're just gonna hold it just like this. This is how you do an athletic plank with a stability ball.